Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to drag and drop photos and text between split screen apps on Motorola Razr Fold. Let's first try dragging some text. So let's maybe open Google and then do split screen and open Notes. That sounds pretty reasonable. Then well, let's open any article, for example, and then I can select something, and now I can drag it to the other app. Then when I release it gets put there. So that is pretty useful. Then you can also drag photos the same way, and that is basically it. You can drag it into any app that supports it, and from any app that supports it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.